Welcome back everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to be showing you how I make a coffee and turmeric sugar scrub for healthy glowing skin. This is super simple to make. It's made with moisturizing plant butters and oils and just leaves your skin feeling so moisturized. So I'm going to show you my entire process step by step. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos, and I also sell my products on my website, and I have some online formulating courses as well. I'll have everything linked in the description box, so let's jump right in. I'm going to get started weighing out all my ingredients, and I'll have the entire formula listed in the description box. I'll also have links to where I purchase my ingredients from. So I'm going to get started weighing out all my oil ingredients. I'm going to be using some aloe vera butter. This is a lightweight moisturizing butter. You can switch it out for another plant butter of your choice. There are so many to choose from: shea butter, mango butter. I'm going to add in some grape seed oil. Once again, you can also switch this out for another oil. And then I'm going to use some fractionated coconut oil. This is also very moisturizing and lightweight on your skin. It's not going to clog your pores like the regular coconut oil that turns solid. And I'm going to use some emulsifying wax. I'm using Montanov 202. This is a really nice wax to use, and I'm going to use a co-emulsifier, stearic acid. In this sugar scrub, this is an emulsified sugar scrub, so it's different from the regular sugar scrub that you might create for yourself, and I'm going to explain more about this scrub later. But I'm going to melt everything down on medium heat so that my waxes and plant butter can melt completely. So now that everything has melted down, I'm going to place this in my freezer until it's semi-solid. It can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. So once the mixture is semi-solid, this is what it's looking like. I'm going to whip this up. You don't want your mixture to be too hard because it's going to be difficult to whip up. So you want something that's semi-solid. So I'm just going to use a mini whisk because this is a small batch that I'm making. So I'm just going to whip this until it's fluffy. This is not going to be a body butter consistency. You just want to whip up the mixture until it is fluffy. I'm adding in some turmeric powder. This is going to help brighten dull, uneven skin. I'm going to add in my vitamin E oil. This helps to keep your oils fresh and it helps your oils not become rancid. I'm also going to be using a preservative. I'm going to be using Optifen. Optifen is oil soluble. So I'm going to be adding this to help keep out bacteria, yeast and mold. Please note that it is not a must to use a preservative in this scrub. As long as you're able to keep out water in this scrub, then you should be fine. But I like adding preservatives when I'm making my sugar scrubs. I'm also going to weigh out my coffee. Coffee is rich in vitamin B3. It's anti-inflammatory. It's also helpful for cellulite, anti-aging and all that. I'm also going to weigh out my sugar. I'm using cane sugar. So now that I have everything added to my mixture, I'm just going to whip this to blend in my preservative, the powder. This just took about a minute or so to get everything blended. I'm going to add in my sugar and coffee mix, and depending on how exfoliating you want this scrub to be, you're just going to adjust the amounts accordingly. It all comes down to preference. So feel free to make substitutions and adjustments. So I'm just going to keep mixing by hand, and then I ended up using my whisk just to get everything blended. It really doesn't take any time at all. It took maybe a minute or two just to get everything well blended. So this is what the sugar scrub is looking like. This is what the consistency is looking like. So the thing with emulsified sugar scrubs, what happens when you use them is when it mixes with water, it tends to form a lotion type consistency. So it makes it easier to spread. It's easier to use in the shower, to exfoliate, and it also rinses off really well. But with the coffee added, I find that it doesn't I find that I have a bit more of a mess with the coffee because sugar is going to dissolve easily in water. So just keep that in mind with the coffee scrub. I do find that it's a bit more messy in the shower. But I'm going to go on and package this up. Emulsified sugar scrubs, you can make so many changes, additions, substitutions. You can swap out the oils, you can switch out the emulsifying wax. So a very lovely sugar scrub to use in the shower. But this is what I have so far. I'm going to show you what the consistency looks like after 2 weeks. It is going to change slightly. It might firm up a little bit more than it is, but it should never turn into a hard scrub after a couple of weeks. The consistency should still be soft and easy to use. So with most sugar scrubs, you can use it up to 2 to 3 times a week. For sensitive skin, I would say start out using it once a week and see how your skin likes this. But use this on damp skin and just massage for about 30 to 60 seconds in circular motions and rinse it off. And this helps with glowing, healthy skin. So I hope you found this video helpful, useful. As always, please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And please like this video as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.